Hi, I'm Brenda. Welcome to Nana's Hidden Apron and welcome to my kitchen. We're going to do a quick, simple recipe for a delicious dessert. It only takes a minute and a half to cook it. Let's go. Okay, I already have some butter, a tablespoon of butter melted in our ramekins. This is not in my recipe, but I'm going to put a little bit of instant coffee in. It's almost a pinch because we're not supposed to have caffeine, and the only instant we have does have caffeine in it. So, shh, don't tell nobody. Okay, now, so we put the coffee in the melted butter, and along with that, I'm putting a tablespoon of brown swerve sweetener in each one. You can use regular sweetener if you want to. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and put half teaspoon of vanilla in them. Here we go. One and a half tablespoons of heavy whipping cream. Now, before I do that, I'm going to go ahead and stir this so that, because when I add that heavy whipping cream, y'all know this is going to seize up a little bit with that butter, right? So, oh, did I tell you what we're making? A brownie mug cake. That's right. And that's why I put that instant coffee in here, because coffee always brings out the most delicious flavors of any kind of chocolate you use. Okay. I gotta keep checking my recipe. I've only made it a couple of times. I can't remember it just off the top of my head. Heavy whipping cream, 1.5 tablespoons. I made them the other night and I thought I was going to be slick, and I put some flaxseed in it. Didn't want Tom to know. Them things were so dry, it's a wonder we didn't choke on them. Let's go ahead and whisk these in together. Now, if you don't have the ramekin, just get you a microwave safe coffee mug and use it. Putting the lids back on everything as we go so I don't end up spilling something. Y'all know how that happens. 1 egg. One dishcloth to wipe up my mess. Okay, go ahead and stir this around. Now, I'm using coconut flour. You can use almond flour if you want to. I'm using coconut flour. Put my hand over top of it so it doesn't sling it out everywhere. It only gets on my hand. You want to add, be sure and add your egg in last. Don't put the egg in directly into that hot melted butter, because you're going to have scrambled egg. You don't want scrambled egg. Do not want the scrambled egg. Okay. Again, wipe my hand. Now, let me get another measuring spoon. I'll be right back. I'm just gonna grab a couple of them here because I don't know which ones I need. All right. A tablespoon, well, 2 tablespoons of coconut flour. Y'all didn't even see that, did you? My word. Let me lift that up just a little bit. Maybe you will. Sorry about that, you guys. Okay. A tablespoon of cocoa powder. You can use the fancy cocoa powder, or you can just use the regular, bought it at Walmart brand cocoa powder. It's a tablespoon is what we're putting in it. Okay. And next we're going to put in some baking powder. Now, I've used the mug both times before when I did this, so I am hoping that this doesn't just roll up and out of there. That would be bad if it did. Could make quite the mess. Okay, baking powder, half teaspoon. Right. Now, let's go ahead and get these whisked in together. I'm doing it the same way, putting my hand over top of it so I don't spill it all over the place. You know, if I quit making a mess, you could go ahead and mix all the dry ingredients and take these with you if you went on vacation. You can make these while you're on vacation if you wanted to, as long as there's a microwave and you take your ramekin or have a coffee mug. I have made a mess all over my hand, y'all. Glad I had my hand on there. And something to wipe it off with. I've actually made a mess 100% here. I didn't say it was not a messy job. Look. Now we want to get it stirred up real good. Make sure you get down in the grooves of your ramekin or your coffee mug, whatever you're using. Again, make sure it is microwave safe, because you don't want to run any of your pretty ramekins or mugs. That's a little piggy, by the way. I love using stuff like that, especially when the grandkids are here. They get such a tickle out of some of these things that I've come across. Okay, now we're going to sprinkle. I think it didn't matter how many. All right, half teaspoon of chocolate chips. It's sugar-free chocolate chips that we're just going to sprinkle all over the top of our brownie. Get it covered real nice and okay. 90 seconds. This is going in the microwave. Keep your fingers crossed that it doesn't make a mess. We'll see. Okay, here's my other one. I want to switch these out. Get the one out of the microwave that just baked and put this one in. It did come rather close to bubbling out, just to let you know. Oh, and by the way, if I haven't told you, this is low carb, keto friendly. And this is sugar-free caramel sauce. I mean, come on. It's sugar-free caramel sauce. Yes. You can put a little more chocolate on there if you want to. Get that sugar-free chocolate. Hershey's chocolate. Yeah, buddy. Okay. This one didn't cook up as high. So, and there's it. There's what it looks like. But let's see if I can do this without burning myself, y'all. I'm using that wet dishcloth so that it absorbs just a little bit of that heat. Oh, I can't squeeze that. Hold on. Let me get this. Let me just do it like this. And I'll show it to y'all. Okay. Here we go. Oh my word. Would you just look at that? Just look at that. Mm-hmm. Mmm. Yum. E. Okay. Let me get Tom in here. Y'all already know. It's that time. Just be careful. It's very hot. You might want to use this dishcloth that I've been using to wipe up all the chocolate and everything. Now he knows that I did put just a little bit of instant coffee in it. Kind of like an espresso. Is it dry like the other one was? Well,
y'all gotta try this.
Caramel is one of his favorite things.
Wow.
So I just put a little icing on the cake, so to speak.
Thank you, dear.
You are welcome. Okay, y'all, that's it. Just that quick. It takes longer to get all the stuff out than it does to mix it up. But y'all take care, and we'll see you next time. Bye now.